Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the best car detailing drill brush attachment kits. Want an easy way to spend less time washing your vehicle? Then why not invest in a drill attachment car wash brush kit? Medium soft bristles, extendable handle and portability plus brushes that can be used on every part of the car, including the wheels, are great reasons to get one of these. Plus these brushes are great for jobs in the house too. We ranked car detailing drill brush attachment kits on several different factors, including product features, independent research and customer reviews. You can find the list of products in the description down below. Why not stick around until the end to see who hits the #1 spot in our review. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. The drill attachment cleaning set coming in at number 5 is the AstroAI drill brush attachment. This yellow 6-pack cleaning brush kit is multi-purpose for you to tackle loads of cleaning jobs. The brushes are in different sizes and this set is made from premium quality nylon bristles, so no more hand scrubbing or cleaning cloths. These powerful cleaning brushes are quick to change, as the easy install shaft can lock brushes tightly with precise control. The AstroAI drill attachment kit makes it easy to clean hard to reach places when using the 6-inch extended attachment. Number 4 on our list is the Shieldpro drill brush attachment set. This corrosion resistant all-purpose scrub brush kit has long-lasting nylon bristles, polypropylene plastic and zinc plating. The extra durable bristles give scratch-free cleaning, so great for cleaning lots of different types of surfaces. The Shieldpro drill attachment is a powerful and efficient brush set that has a quick change shaft to fit most drills and drivers. The drill attachment car cleaning brush set coming in at number 3 is the Drillbrush soft whitewash drill brush kit. This drill brush cleaning kit cleans faster with speed and power when combining the spinning motion of a power drill and any of these brushes. This set means you have the right tool for the job and cleaning becomes less of a chore. Plus it's multi-purpose, so it can be used for lots of different cleaning tasks. The Drillbrush car boat brush cleaning kit has 4 different sizes and shapes, including a 2-inch diameter brush for all those hard to reach places. Number 2 is the HighWear 4-piece drill brush attachment set. This 4-piece drill brush set is an all-purpose kit that's great for in the garage and house and fits most cordless drills, which will save you time and effort. Its brushes will powerfully scrub away excess dirt, dust and grime with medium stiffness nylon bristles that will not scratch the surfaces. The HighWear drill brush attachment set is easy to use with 3 different sized brush heads and quick release shafts, so this will meet all of your scrubbing needs. Finally, coming in at number 1, the car detailing drill brush attachment set that we recommend is the Holikme drill brush attachment set. The 3 shaped brushes in this set are multifunctional, so great to attach to most cordless drills and powerfully scrub your vehicle or surfaces in your home. The extended reach attachment means the brush can clean tight to reach places, and the slip joint with magnet means the brushes are locked tightly in place. The Holikme drill brush kit has 4 brush heads and a multitude of uses to meet all of your needs quickly and easily. So that's it, the 5 car cleaning drill brush attachment sets which got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you have any helpful car detailing tips, do drop them in the comment section below. If you thought this video was useful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. We look forward to seeing you and your projects again soon. Good luck.